I'm Amor, and today we're going to be playing around with the Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. Wow, that is a long title for a lipstick, but you know what? This one actually promises to be a long-lasting matte liquid lipstick that's very pigmented and can last up to 16 hours. Lipstick is something I definitely cannot live without. It's just one of those products that when you put it on your face, it just instantly transforms your look. I got mine in the shade 65 Seductress. Wow, I love the name. Let's start with the packaging. I love the sleek, minimal look that it has. There is also a seal. It's also very easy to open, and this is how the doe foot applicator looks like. It has a pointed tip so that you can have a more precise application when you use this. There's also a dip in the middle that holds a lot of product. This smells so yummy. It smells like a vanilla cupcake and I just want to eat it all up. I love products that have, you know, such a great smell and you just want to put it all over your face. I'm going to be testing this out on my eyes, lips, and cheeks, so let's get to it. I am so amazed at this formula because with one dip, I was able to cover my entire lip and it was just one layer of lipstick, but it looks so great. It's really such a pigmented type of lipstick, and I really love the doe foot applicator because I was also able to line my lips so it looks like a very precise application. It's kind of like I used a lip liner, but I really didn't, and it just glided on so smoothly. It's very comfortable on the lip. It was sticky at first, but I can feel it drying down now and it is looking really matte. And this shade, I mean, this shade is so beautiful. Now let's test it out on the cheeks. So I'll just dab a bit and then I'll just blend it out with my finger. You know, a little really does go a long way with this one. I definitely could have added way less, but you know, I think it's still blended out really beautifully. It looks like such a great blush, even though, you know, it's a lipstick and it is drying down to matte finish, and I really love matte looking blushes. Overall, I think this looks really great on the cheeks. The color is great. It blends out really easily, really well, and it dries down, and you have enough playing time with it before it, you know, fully dries down. Now it's time for the hardest test. I'm gonna be putting it all over my lids. This is such a beautiful shade on the lids. It just gives you that subtle pop of color, and I just think it all ties in together, you know, with the eyes, lips, and the cheeks. And the great thing about it on the lids is it is not creasing. It actually already dried down from the liquid, and it is now, you know, this matte finish type of thing. I'm really loving my whole look right now. It was so easy to do, and I cannot believe that this one affordable product looks so great. Wow, this is such a great formula. I am so excited. I'm so happy that I found this one, but I want to put it through more tests. The first test I want to do is the kiss test. Now, sadly, I don't have anyone to kiss right now, so I'm just gonna kiss myself. You know, self-love is also true love. So I'm gonna kiss my hand. Mwah. That was a long kiss, all right? And as you guys can see, there is nothing that transferred on my hand. Now this is something that all of us have to do now in the new normal, so I'm gonna be putting it through a mask test. I'm gonna put the white side on my lips. I'm also gonna be pressing it. Let's see if it transfers. I'm also gonna be talking a bit here. Let's see if any of the blush or any of the lipstick transfers to this mask. And there is nothing. I mean, there is a bit of foundation up here, but in terms of the lips and the cheeks, I don't see any. I don't see any of the lipstick or the blush. This is such a great thing to wear under your mask. As you guys can see, nothing has transferred. One of the things I really don't like is when I drink water, my lipstick ends up staining the glass and ends up in the water, so you end up drinking the lipstick, which is, you know, not a great experience. So, you know, let's see. Nothing. There is absolutely nothing that got stuck on the glass or in the water. It's still crystal clear. Wow. Cheers, you guys. Cheers, we found an awesome product. I love food so much, and one of my pet peeves is when the lipstick ends up marking my yummy food and I end up eating and biting my own lipstick. Let's see if the lipstick is gonna mark this donut. Okay, so let's see. What a good donut. And you know, so far, there is nothing, no lipstick on this donut. That's a really good donut too. And you know what? To push this further, I'm gonna kiss the donut. There we go. I'm kissing the donut, and still no lipstick on this donut. Wow. So my days of eating my own lipstick are over. I found a really great formula with amazing shades. They have over 40 shades of this lipstick. I cannot believe that I found my new favorite everyday lipstick. This one is amazing. I am blown away by how great this formula is. I mean, it glides on really well. It's so comfortable on the lips. It doesn't emphasize my lines, the creases on my eyes, or anything like that. It's just such a great lipstick. I drank water, I put it through the mask test, I ate some donuts, and it still looks as good as the first time I put it on. This is definitely a pigmented formula. I really love the doe foot as well. And overall, it just looks and feels really, really great. It is pigmented, very comfortable on the lips. It dries down matte. It is transfer proof. It is long lasting. It is just the perfect lipstick. I hope you guys enjoyed spending some time with me and my new favorite liquid lipstick from Maybelline. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Mwah!